Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am super excited to review 3 products by Anker. So guys, we all know Anker. It's the most innovative, the most wanted, the most famous charging brand out there on the market. I have reviewed them so many times here on my channel. You're welcome to go check out my previous videos.
And these are a co-production of the 3 10K series products. They are all multi-functional type of a product and comes with a multi-form design of a power bank. It can charge more than one device simultaneously, and this is the most efficient charging solution in travel scenarios. So guys, the Anker Prime power bank is a 2-in-1. It's a wall charger and it's a power bank. It's small in size and super compact. It can definitely fit any type of a pocket, definitely any type of a purse. This one also comes with an LCD display, which is super helpful. Now both charger and the battery mode are supporting the 65 watt of output. So whatever you are away on business or you are relaxing at your house somewhere, just hanging out, you can always stay fully powered. Both charger mode and the power bank mode can keep 65 watt of a max output, which power laptops and phones at a full possible speed. The Anker Prime power bank comes with a compact 9600 milliampere power bank, as well as it is including a charging cable for a versatile use inside of the package already. And we all know that Anker provides and creates the best charging cables out there. I absolutely love the compact and small size of this power bank. It works with a GaN technology, so it has a high power density cells and it can output a great power while still comes in an extra compact size and a lightweight type of a body. So it can be easily taken with you on the go, or even you can put this one in your pocket easily. The smart LCD screen display is absolutely adorable. It has an extra user-friendly interface, which provides a clear, current, and accurate data with details of your charging information, how many percent you have left, what is the power, what that is used right now, and for how many hours this amount of battery will be last for you. Extra helpful to know this type of information, and sometimes it can definitely be just like a life-saving situation. So guys, this Anker Prime power bank comes in a minimized size with a maximized power, which this is definitely the new standard for the industry in the power density. Once again, I'll summarize. It works with GaN technology. It gives you 1.8 more times more power by volume. It comes with a magnetic core transformance built inside, so it built it to last and to be safe. It also works with an exclusive stacked type of a design, and it's one power bank for all of your devices. It's fast charging and it's fast to be recharged as well. It works with the real-time protection with Active Shield 3.0 type of a high technology, which is monitoring the temperature of your power bank all the time, which is actually does 6 million times of monitoring the temperature per day. So this power bank is extra safe to use.
And I am going to briefly introduce these 2 as well in this video. This one, same idea as the previous one. It is a wall charger as well as a power bank. This one comes with one USB Type-C port. The coolest thing about this one, that's not just a stripe, to hang on. This is actually an extra cable. How cool is that? This cable goes in and out just easy, and so you have one output and one input Type-C, both of them. How cool. And then the third one is going to be this one. It was especially designed for iPhones and Apple Watch. So this one has a similar design. This is just a power bank, no wall charger integrated in this one. It also comes with a smart display that will show you the status of your bank, but it comes with a wireless charging right here. So you simply just put on your Apple Watch and it's going to charge it. Same idea as the previous one. It comes with a cable and with one port of USB Type-C.
Now guys, let's move on to the other 2 power banks that I've got. So the first one, it's the Anker MagGo, and I've got mine in the black color, but this one is available in 4 different colors. So you're welcome to go to the Amazon listing and choose the color that will work for you. So the Anker MagGo power bank was especially designed for Apple Watch, and it's officially certified, and it's extra compact in the size as well as it's extra lightweight too. It comes with a built-in USB-C cable, which comes in a design of a hook, so you can absolutely carry this power bank with you by this hook, and whenever you need the type USB-C cable, you just simply take it out and you can charge with this whatever you want. It also has a one output port port of Type C. And this is an all-around Apple charging type of a device. It will simply and fast charge any type of your tech. This power bank is capable of charging an Apple Watch Series 9 to 47% in just 30 minutes. The USB Type-C output that it comes with is giving 30 watt of power and 5 watt of Apple Watch charging. So it supports simultaneous device charging with the built-in cable and the port. This power bank can be fully recharged in 1.5 hours only with a 30 watt of a maximum input. This is definitely best for any type of a traveling. It's compact, can be easily put it into your pocket, into any type and size of a purse. And so you'll understand how much is a 10,000 milliampere of a power bank. It can fully charge twice an iPhone 15 Pro, and it can do up to 11 charges for Apple Watch Series 9 full chargers, of course. Now guys, the next and the last power bank, it's gonna be this one, Anker Nano 3-in-1 portable iPhone charger. This one also comes with an impressive 10,000 of milliampere power bank and has a built-in USB-C cable, which comes in a design in the shape of a hook. So you can use this one to carry your power bank around, and whenever you need the cable, you just take it out and use it. The cable is USB Type-C, and this is also a wall charger as well as a power bank. This is definitely a genius design that Anker just went out with. Absolutely love the foldable wall plug, so whenever you need it, it will be a wall charger, and whenever you need a power bank, it's gonna be a power bank. This one also comes with a maximum battery pack of 30 watt, and it's best for any type of traveling. You can charge and recharge your devices with this power bank and wall charger, like your MacBooks, your iPhones, any type of your devices literally can be charged easily with this one. I got mine in the white color, but this one is available in so many different colors like black, pink, purple, blue, and so very on. Super cool, guys. Be so very sure to check it out. I will leave you all the links to the Amazon listing down below at the description box to this video of mine. The Anker Nano portable charger can be recharged simultaneously. Also, it supports up to 2 devices since it has a 1 USB Type-C cable that you can charge with, as well as it has a 1 USB Type-C port. And it also comes with an LCD display, which is extra cool. You have a button on the sides of all of these power banks. You have buttons, so once you click the button, you will see the situation of your power bank on your screen, and that's extra cool.
Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know what do you think down below at the comments to this video of mine. Be so very sure to check Anker out. I am personally obsessed with their products. They're always got the best sleek, stylish design. They always look so very minimalistic, so beautiful and so useful. Love Anker products once again. I will highly recommend you guys to check all of these. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine. All of them are available on Amazon, of course, as well as on the official Anker website. So you're welcome to go check out my description down below to this video, as well as the pinned comment at the comment section. Now, outside of the links to all these 3 products by Anker, I am gonna leave you any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, discount codes, any possible way to save some money of yours. So you snooze, you lose, girl. You better go and check this out. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine today. You're welcome to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Well, guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.